In this video, we're going to talk about critical analysis of your trading performance, but importantly, what is causing you to lose money. Stay tuned. Hey traders, a very warm welcome to you. Okay, so we're on this theme of critical analysis in trading. We're digging down into our previous performance to make it better for us moving on. And that is the one thing that we can do without kind of looking at new strategies, new systems, looking at another trade, that we will improve our bottom line if we get it right. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what is causing you to lose money. Now, this may sound similar to what is causing you to make money, but it's actually fundamentally different the way we approach this, because I don't know about you, but generally speaking, I would find that my losses came from maybe one or two bad trades, one or two poorly executed trades, very small slither, rather than kind of saying if you've got your whole kind of normal distribution of trades here, it wouldn't generally look like that. I would have kind of a few outliers where, you know, these would be very, very profitable, and then I'd have a few kind of negative ones that be very, very negative. And so when I got into the stage where I was reducing these, then the P&L just moved up significantly because I was reducing just a couple of the very, very bad trades. Now, you can go further than that and you can say, well, actually, let's assume this is the negative side. I want to reduce most of my negative side, but let's do it one step at a time for now. Let's get my cloth out here and start again. Let's focus solely on the account damaging stuff, like the worst 3 trades of the month, the worst 3 trades of the week. So similarly as we're doing with the profitable ones, we take our top trades, but we take a fewer amount with the losers. Okay, with the winners, we're taking a broader spectrum because we want to kind of see the theme that runs through. But with losers, we're approaching it slightly differently. We're taking the very, very worst losers. That may be the very, if I can say very enough times, the very worst one, very worst second, third, fourth, however it may be, depending on the order of magnitude. Now, obviously, if the order of magnitude for those 4 is massive compared to the others, you're looking for that obvious step point where a losing trade's a losing trade, fine. We're not looking to include that. We're looking to include the ones that really do the account damage. For this specific exercise, the next one, you can look at just the standard trades that are losing money, look for the theme that runs through that. This is for the big ones that are kind of hammering your account. So we want to look at the market we've been trading. So, you know, are we trading the Dow? Are we trading GBP USD? Are we trading USD JPY? Is there something in the theme that runs through those? Probably, perhaps not. You know, it might not. It's not generally. I would suggest that it's not going to be, oh, it's because I'm trading euro yen on these. It could be. If it is, easiest fix in the world for you guys. You say, you know what, my worst 3 losers were in euro yen. You know what? Easy fix for that. Let's just get rid of the euro yen. Get rid of it. Don't get involved in it. And hopefully that's going to fix your problem. But I'm going to suggest that that's probably not it. So then we're going to look down and we're going to say, okay, let's be a little bit more clever into this. What's the theme here? Is it that we've lost more money than we expected? Probably is, because our trading plan would normally have boundaries set for risk tolerance. And if these 3 are monster losers, there's somewhere along the way we've lost the discipline and something's happened and we've kind of kept it. So what do? We go back and we print off all the charts, as we do with our winners, and we have a look. We get all the information that we can based around what was happening on that trade. And also, if you've got your journal as well, hopefully you have got a journal and you're going to look through and you're going to see, you know, what was your mental state at the time, that kind of stuff that we kind of want to look at also. But really the main thing is the chart, previous day's trade, economic news, any kind of things that affect our decision making. Mark on the chart where we're taking the trades, mark on the charts where we're coming out of the trades, and just see if there's a theme. And I would almost place a good bet on this, guys, that if you do that, you will immediately see a theme. And you're going to have to use a little bit of intuition and gut here and just look at it. Yes, we can do it analytically and we can kind of put a massive list of all the things that we want to do. But with the losers, if it's because of a rule breaking thing as opposed to a tuning the strategy thing, you can see the differences between the two. We want to really get down and find out what is causing us to do that. Why are we shooting from the hip when we're trading? You know, what's causing us to kind of take more size on than we should do? Something that I was doing an awful lot of in my early years of breaking rules, was taking way too much size on trades that I had no business doing, and you know, that was causing kind of these top 3-4 losses. And then I had to sort of work on that break of discipline and to sort that out. But I digress. The point is, you might find there's something in there that's causing you to kind of hold perhaps an extra volatility. Perhaps these top 3 losers were when days were very, very extreme. I know I noticed a pattern for myself that after non-farm payrolls, if I traded the first kind of hour after non-farm payrolls, the performance was awful. And I used to think I was really good at it until I looked at the data and thought, what are you doing? Your better trades are when you wait and you see kind of the strategy or the trend that's coming afterwards and getting involved in that. And then later on, I devised kind of a strategy to get involved with the volatility and chop of the non-farm payrolls. But prior to that, years before that, I just was awful at it. And only when I looked at the hard data, I thought, well, that's an easy fix. Just stop trading. Also knew a guy who used to just wouldn't trade on options expiry day. There are these themes that often run through, and if you can find something like that, well, it's just the best thing in the world. It's easy, time of day. If you say, hey, listen, these are all because I'm trying to capture the open, trying to Mr. Clever and get straight in, or I'm really excited, really keen. This is for day traders out there, really keen, really excited. And you say, hey, well, actually, my worst 3 trades in the last week or the last month were trading in the first 15 minutes. Easy fix for you. It may seem like, oh yeah, but I'm missing opportunities. No, because look, all you've got to do is, and this is again, you need to prove to your brain why this is the best possible thing for you to do. Look at that, take those 3 losers off your total P&L and see where you would be. If that then makes you smile, then that's an easy decision to make. You don't trade the first 15 minutes. So we're looking for that theme. We're looking for something that runs through, and there will be something. It's unlikely to be kind of 3 things that were just completely different. Yes, there might be different markets, there might be different times, there might be different conditions, but you've done something. Maybe you've added to a position. Maybe the initial position was too big. There's a theme in there that you can grab onto, pull that out, and then say, hey, how can I adjust this, or how can I remove this, or how can I be alerted to this in my future trading so I don't get those horrible top 3, top 4, top 5, top 1 losers, whatever it may be, that if I eliminate those, my P&L at the end of the week, end of the month, end of the year, whatever it may be, is going to be way, way better. All right, guys, let me know how you get on with that in the comments section below. Be interested to see how, what you found and kind of what the things are that you struggle with and what your biggest losers are. It'd be interesting to see what you guys have to say. Now, get a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here and you haven't yet already. The button's down there somewhere. I don't know. It depends on the device you're on. Anyway, guys, take care. Good trading. Keep the risk managed. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.